Sa kuan sa Converges.
Kana gani guys nga mapalupad kag drones. Wrong timing kaayo sa mukha ni.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here at Neri'sville, Selfie corner. So I'm with a gang, Ninyu and another than Christman XMNN. So gamay lang kayo ang space nila dire guys. So mostly sa ilang mga gamit ng mga materials kay improvise.
Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will go in the dark.
So now karon sa ilahang Hobbit house. So ang naa diri sa ilaha karon is for kanang good for selfie lang dito. Dili siya for accommodation. So naa sila sa room dito. Ako sila yung room diri guys. Sa bed. So okay, wala pa ko breakfast. So mga peace ako guys. Tayo na. So mga piring. Oh, why so? Why so? Sudan eh. Puro manilangga man sudan eh. Oh, nakita ba ang Christmas?
A channel ako kay kuan ra ba sa yoga alone.
Ayo galon.
Oh, pero
Then,
pero kato ko travel agency sa akong name. Sa wala to pag ano,
ano sa name ni mo te?
ang dito pag ay Grace Oro kana ako Oro kay ay U then double R O.
You. Oh, biro. Kung sa may makomment mo dito yan?
Well, I'm right. I set my expectation very low because as what they said, it's still under construction and it was forcibly open to the public because a lot of kids are traveling so far away.
Public demand.
So, naulaw lang sila lang ipa-open na lang. Force open.
Actually guys, gamay ra kay siyang space. Not that much nga kuan ang kuan. Good for selfie ra gid siya.
Selfie or groupie?
Groupie. Selfie or groupie.
Like this.
Hi guys, so human namin dito sa Neri'sville. So nihapit mi diri, magyan na kay na diri. Padung sa kuan. Marsag Batanes guys. Palupad kami drone. Ay sayang mong dindot ang view ba. So thank you kayo guys sa paguban na mo karong adlaw sa mga vlog. See you next time in my next vlog guys, and don't forget to share, subscribe my channel.